And this time also, they are giving the people of Hyderabad and the aviation enthusiasts in this country, this new aircraft, Boeing 787, which is also called as Dreamliner, being shortly inducted into the Indian Airlines, that is Air India. So now the Messrs. FICCI, under the aegis of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, they have made all the arrangements for happening this air show in a magnificent way. They have erected, with the cooperation of the Airports Authority of India being the host airport, we have provided to FICCI all the facilities required. And also we made this world-class conference hall where you are now seated. Its capacity about 450 persons at a time. It can be made into two separate venues with 250 seating capacity on this side where we are having this press conference. And on the other side of the conference hall, it is one more conference hall can be created for 175 members with world-class audio-visual facilities and with a very good ambience, as you can see now. For this, our Airports Authority of India has spent about 3.5 crores just for the this conference hall facility, so that this world-class event will have all the glamour and the suitable environment required for it. And apart from this, the entire tarmac area and the runway facilities, including the navigation, CNS and the ATM facilities, that is the communication, navigation, surveillance and air traffic management facilities, are made available at par with international standards, so that all the participating aircraft will be able to come, land and even carry out whatever the demo flights they have to, and also for the static display of the aircraft. And from the FICCI organizer side, they have made world-class facilities with respect to the exhibition stalls and also the chalets for the companies to have the private negotiations with the concerned, to have the business proceedings also simultaneously during this air show.